आज नवरात्रि का पहला दिन है और नवरात्रि का रूट कम्स फ्रॉम संस्कृत नव एंड रात्रि. Because it is a celebration of nights, it follows the Hindu lunar calendar and that's why the dates change every year. Presenting healthier Aloo Tukk with Dhara's filtered groundnut oil. We start by peeling all of our potatoes and then we'll cut them in half or thirds as you prefer. Then we'll put some sendha namak on them and then let them sit for 10 minutes and then wipe them off with a cloth to remove excess moisture. I'm using this filtered groundnut oil by Dhara for this, and I'll take my air fryer, brush some oil in it and then add my potatoes, top them with some more oil. Then I'll air fry the potatoes for at least 10 minutes or until they are 80% cooked, and then I'll smash them using the back of a measuring cup and then air fry them again for the second time until they are completely crispy, just like this. Now for the topping, we'll combine all the masalas that are mentioned below and then we'll top this over our Aloo Tukk. The texture is divine, just listen to that. Make sure to try this recipe out for this Navratri just like I did. That's amazing.